welcome you to today's CC webinar live executive interview with Rolf Nafziger, Senior Vice President at the Deutsche Telekom Global Carrier.
The exciting thing about telecommunication is that there's always progress, it's always change going on. On top, I mentioned the 2 years of Corona that kicked in 2020, where we have all seen this acceleration of digitalization. We had already a couple of topics like e-bonding, automizing our network borders, the interfaces to other carriers, but having new products like CPaaS. At Mobile World Congress, we already also launched our what we call the HNCE portfolio, the exposure of network components, where we were also showing how valet parking works if we look backwards to these times of crisis. And you know that we are again in the crisis. We all see that international connectivity is key. This makes our world smaller. Either you are moving fast or you will fail. And it's definitely, of course, our attitude to move fast. This all only works if we as carriers are collaborating and if we are accelerating our collaboration. The big change is coming from softwareization. We see this huge transformation from MPLS to SD-WAN. And SD-WAN is a completely different setup. The other dimension is that we see more and more of the companies that are offering communication platforms as a service, CPaaS, a very prominent topic, because we always talked about voice being a legacy service. But with certain APIs and with CPaaS, it's converted into a different dimension. We enable developers that they use our APIs to embed voice messaging, also two-factor authentication into their websites. Deutsche Telekom as such has a lot of activities being launched. And so it's our ambition, of course, to follow this direction and become the leading digital wholesale provider.